Welcome to Backyard Plus. Choosing the right heater for your spa can be confusing, especially when there are several heater choices. In this video, we show you the major difference between the Watkins No-Fault factory replacement heater and the Watkins No-Fault PDR heater. The factory replacement heater. The biggest difference between the two heaters is the circuitry. The factory replacement heater has a built-in pressure switch. The gray pressure switch wire must be plugged into the pressure switch port on the motherboard. The second biggest difference is the price. The factory heater will run you about $65 more than the PDR. The factory heater is a preferred heater for those who want the exact replacement part. The PDR or power down reset heater. The PDR heater has different logic built into it, which is why it does not have a gray pressure switch wire. In order to use a PDR heater, you must bypass the pressure switch on the motherboard with the 72768 pressure switch bypass jumper. When you install a PDR heater with a bypass jumper, your spa will lose the ability to sense low water flow. Instead of the power and ready lights flashing, your spa will display a flashing red power light during a low flow condition. The PDR heater will run you about $65 less than the factory replacement heater. If you are on a budget, the PDR heater is a smarter way to go. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.